Hello students, this is Mrs. Miller, and the purpose of this video is to teach you all about our schedule. You need to understand our scheduling this year because we're not on a traditional schedule. You don't go to the same classes every day at every time. We're on something called block scheduling. So this video is designed to help you. Now, in order to complete this activity, you need a copy of a generic schedule. You need 2 long strips of paper, and you will need 42 strips of index card. You will also need 8 different colored pencils. Now, in order to get the strips of paper, you can take a regular piece of paper, you can fold it in half, as I'm demonstrating here, and then you can fold it in half again. Then, unfold the paper, and you have your strips. So you can cut a strip here, and you can cut another strip here. When you finish cutting, you'll have 2 separate strips of paper. In order to get the 42 strips of index cards, you can take some regular index cards and just cut along like this. Please go ahead and cut your index cards, and you need a total of 42. Please push pause on the video, and when you have your 2 strips of paper, your 42 strips of index card, your 8 different colored pencils, and a copy of the schedule, you'll be ready to resume this activity. Now that you have the materials, we're ready to begin. For now, just go ahead and move the schedule off to the side. Please take a pen or a writing utensil, and on one of the strips of paper, I want you to move over just a little bit, and I want you to write Monday, as I'm demonstrating here. Move over about 2 finger widths and put Tuesday. Move over 2 more finger widths and put Wednesday. Then take the second strip. Make sure you're over about 2 finger widths and put Thursday. And move over 2 more finger widths and put Friday. Please push pause on the video if you need a little bit more time to finish this part of the activity. Okay, we are now ready to continue. Please take one of the strips from the index cards, and I would like for you to put 750 to 810. And I would like for you to put it under the first strip as I have demonstrated here. Please take a second strip of paper and write 815 to 914 and put it underneath the first time. Take a third strip of paper and write 919 through 1004 and put it under the second strip. Take another strip and write 1010 through 1112 and go ahead and line it up. We're just going to keep lining up the strips like this. On the next strip, we're going to write 1114 to 1222. The next strip is 1225 to 1255. The next strip, please write 1 o'clock to 1:45. And we have one more time slot to fill in. Please write 150 to 250. If I went a little bit too fast and you need some more time, please push pause and complete this part of the activity, and then push play when you're ready to resume. Now, there are some parts of your schedule that stay the same every single day. One of those things is homeroom. So please take 5 strips of paper, and I would like for you to write homeroom on each strip. You can abbreviate it. You don't have to write the whole thing. Homeroom always stays the same, and that is in the morning. You go to homeroom every single day. So you have your 5 strips of paper, and you're putting homeroom on every single strip. I'm sorry about that. I made a mistake. Let me fix that. Now, I want you to pick one color from your colored pencils. And I want you to color each of the homeroom strips, as I'm demonstrating here. Color all 5 of these strips that say homeroom. And it's okay if you just color it like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just go ahead and color it in. Please push pause, and when you're finished with this part of the activity, push play. Okay, we're ready to continue. I don't know if you can see my color. I colored mine an orangish color. Maybe you can see it a little bit better like that. What I would like for you to do is take a homeroom strip and put it right up here by 7:50 to 8:30, and put it one under Monday. Put one under Tuesday. It's okay if they overlap if your strips are a little bit longer. Put one for Wednesday. Put one for Thursday, and put one for Friday, as I've demonstrated here. So you will go to homeroom every single day. This part of the schedule does not change. Let's talk about another part of your schedule that doesn't change. Your 3rd period special. So let's go ahead and look at the generic schedule that is in front of you. And you can see that 3rd period, for where there's a number 3, this person has health and wellness. So we're going to take 5 strips, and we're going to write 3 for 3rd period, and we're going to write health and wellness. So please take 5 strips, and please put a 3, and then put health and wellness. We're just putting the abbreviation. Okay? Please do that for all 5 strips. If you need a little bit more time, please push pause and then push play when you're ready to resume. Please pick up the same colored pencil that you used to color the homeroom strips. And since this part of our schedule never changes, we're going to color this the same exact color. So please go ahead and color each of the 3 health and wellness strips this color, the same color, and push pause on the video. When you finish doing that, push play to resume. Okay, I have finished coloring each of my strips, and so what we're going to do is we're going to line them up by the time period that says 9:19 to 10:04. You go to this 3rd period every single day from 9:19 to 10:04. This part of your schedule does not change for the first trimester. Now it will change the second trimester, you'll get a new special, but for these first 12 weeks of school, this part of your schedule will stay the same. So go ahead and line those up. If you need a little bit more time, push pause and then push play when you're ready to resume. Okay, there's one more part of your schedule that does not change for the first trimester. Whatever you have for period 7 or your period 7 special. So on this generic schedule, the student has digital computers. So we're going to take 5 strips of the index cards. We're going to put the number 7 on each one, and then we're going to put the abbreviation for digital computers. Please push pause, do this on all 5 strips, and push play when you're ready to proceed. Okay, I've completed the task, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same colored pencil that I used for homeroom and for the third period special, health and wellness, and I'm going to color each of these strips that same color. Please push pause, complete this task, and push play when you are ready to resume. Okay, I am finished with this part of the schedule, so I'm going to put this by the time period 1 o'clock to 1:45. So I'm putting a strip under Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, I said this was the last one that doesn't change, but I forgot lunch. How could I forget lunch? All important lunch. You have lunch at the same time every day, and your lunch time is from 12:25 to 12:55. So you guessed it, we're going to take 5 strips. We're going to write lunch on each strip, and we're going to color each of the strips the same color that we colored homeroom, health and wellness, and digital computers, because this part of your schedule does not change. It's the same every day. Please push pause on the video and complete this task, and then push play when you are ready to resume. Okay, I just finished coloring my last strip here. So what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to line up lunch by the time 12:25 to 12:55. You have lunch at the same time every single day. So this part of your schedule does not change. So your schedule right now should look something like this. If you've gotten stuck, please push pause and ask the teacher for help. This concludes part 1 of our schedule. We'll watch part 2 and we'll figure out the parts of our schedule that changes each day.